Saan ka na? New York! Ayun, dyan tayo galing. Terminal 7.
We are arriving at
ano kami, punta tayo doon, Subway Hatch, diba? Ayan. Punta kami sa Subway E Blue. Sa Subway na kami. Thank you.
This is a Manhattan Express train. The next stop is Jamaica Center.
Kaya pa. Happy birthday to you. Bumaglaw ang diba? Mahal sa Pinas. Mahal sa Pinas. Mahal sa punta ng New York. Yan. Nahanap namin yung titiran namin. 5-1? 5-1. Jersey. And we found it. Ito na siya, guys. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Ang banyo. Then kitchen. Okay, nice. Okay. Then this is the room. Yeah. TV. And then we have this one. Ref and the current bed. And cabinet. Okay. We are in New Jersey. Yes. So kararating lang namin. Chinese background. Center Spa. Ayan, may ano siya, stapler. Ano siya. Ice cream doon, Hatch. Dental, Hatchas. Adi, ito tayo. Special Improvement District. Pay only 3.3 tax for student businesses.
Ano binili natin? Bacon, spam, rice. Okay. Ano gusto mo? Yung ano yun, oh? Lemonade. Lemonade. Ikaw na ko. Minute Maid? Zero sugar. Sugar, gano'n. Gusto mo yan? Ikaw, ano gusto mo na ko? Okay. Isa pa na ko. Stock natin doon. Okay. Mango? Oo nga, no? Ah, sige. Pang breakfast natin yun, ha? Okay, good. Water. Saan yung water nila? Ano yan?
Oh, happy birthday to you. Birthday in America. Oh, ano daw yan? Fortune cookies. Okay, anong laman? Basahin mo. Wow.
Ano daw?
Okay, read it.
Don't miss out on your chance to win big.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay. Open mo yung ano. Open mo yung handa mo. Ayan, birthday niya dito sa America. 19 years old na. Ayan, nag-order and take away kami ng Chinese food. Diyan lang sa kanila. Ayan, wow, sarap. Ooh. And what's this?
Rice, I think.
Rice. Ayan yung rice and then the sauces. Huh? Smile, tingin dito. And guys, ang handa ni Hubs. Ito, anong laman ito? Shrimp, pork, beef and crab meat na. And then vegetables. Masarap. Ito guys, ang place namin. In New Jersey. Ang dami mo handa.
Kulang pang.
Kulang pang handa. Minute Maid. Anong pink lemonade? Lemon man siya pero pink.
Pink lemonade.
Lemonade. Tapos ako naman, ano to? Chamomile? Chamomile. Ayan guys. Libre man yung mag-tsa dyan guys. Ayan, daming tsa. Ayan, cookies free. Coffee. Coffee machine. Sugar. Okay, next. Fortune cookies. Dito baka matala. Tapos ano mo?
How about another fortune? Secondfortune.com.
Oh, baka sa likod. Nasa likod.
Ay, nasa likod na.
Nasa likod.
Wala naman silang
Ano sabi?
Everyone has a photographic memory. Some just don't have film.
Ah, okay. Tapos kainin mo daw pati papel.
Edible.
Anong ano yan? Tikmak mo nga rin. Para chips. Parang no.
Lengua.
Oh, lengua. Okay.
Ay, ako.
Alexa? Alexa? Alexa, who is my best friend?
Whoever it is, they're pretty lucky.
No, I want the name of my best friend. Alexa, who is my best friend?
Whoever it is, they're pretty lucky.
Alexa, who is my mother?
I didn't find any notes about mother.
Alexa, when is the birthday of Hajliana Osbel Valido?
The birthday of Adriana Osbaldi is on June 12, 1981. Just so you know, you can also ask me questions in your car. Would you like an email with more information?
What's correct? June 12,
Weird.
right? When is the birthday of Hajliana Osbel Valido?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Alexa, when is the birthday of Hajliana Osbel Valido?
The birthday of Axliana Osbaldido is on October 11th.
Wala na. Alexa, you're just guessing now. Alexa,
Huwag mo nang awayin.
how to get to Times Square?
Right now, traffic to Times Square at 1 Times Square looks a little sluggish. The fastest route takes about 21 minutes via CR 675 and Route 495. This route requires tolls.
Alexa, how to get to Statue of Liberty?
At the moment, traffic to Statue of Liberty at 1 Liberty Island looks good. The fastest route takes about 21 minutes via CR 501 and Summit Avenue.
Okay, Alexa, sleep. Alexa, sleep.
Wala.
Natulog na siya talaga. Oh, Haj. Gift ko sa'yo.
Ano to? Huh? Wait, wala akong mabasa. Saan papunta? Saan papunta? Saan papunta?
Ayun nga yung 7.
Ha?
Sign mo ah.
Ah, saan?
7, tapos nasa right niya.
7. New York.
Tapos yung nasa right niya.
Oh, Toronto. Canada? Canada? We're going to Canada? When? June 20.
Hmm?
Huh? Pabalik? Same lang ba?
Oo, same copy yan.
On June 16. Ano na ngayon? 12. Wow. Taray. Nagpa out of the country si Papa. 2 countries pala eh.